Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change username on BeReal. To change your username on BeReal, first of all, open up your BeReal application on your device. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and this will take you to this page. From here, tap on this gear button at the top right corner. You will then end up in the settings page. Tap on your current username at the top and then go to username and tap on it. Now go ahead and erase your current username and type down the new one. Click on change username. Now once you enter the new username, your new username will be active after your post on the next BeReal notification. So that's how you easily change your username on BeReal in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.